In this video, we are going to compare AppeneriX with two of the main competitions in the market, Mendix and OutSystems. We are going to open an existing app and perform the tasks shown on the screen and measure time. Let's look at the app that was built. This is a simple app that keeps track of projects that belong to different customers. We can have customer list and project list. In project list, we got this detailed form that you can edit that belongs to a particular customer. Let's look at the same app in OutSystems and AppeneriX at the same time. We are going to make pop-up screen since we have data to be shown, and also there's no point of moving away from the list screen when we want to look at the details of projects. We are going to move labels of the fields to the side of them and also change the description to box for more space to be shown. Let's move to Mendix IDE. This is Mendix Studio Pro 10.9. We have project entity, customer entity, and the data model and the relationship between the entities. We have the UI here and the project screen to be shown. In OutSystems, we have the same, the project and customer entities and the UI of the OutSystem. We're going to make the same changes and measure time both in OutSystems and Mendix, and also look at the same at the end of the video on AppeneriX and how much time it will take for AppeneriX to do the same job. You'll see that there is a significant difference in the amount of time that it takes for developers to do the same job in AppeneriX comparing to the competition. Now let's look at Mendix. We're gonna start measuring the time and start making the changes in the project menu to move the labels to the side and also change the description to the box. As you can see, we are moving the elements in the project tab and create new one. Also, you see that we are changing the description into a box. Now we're going to render that and create the new project form. As you can see, it takes about roughly 1 minute or so for Mendix to do the same job. In OutSystem, we're going to start doing that and make the same changes. Since it's going to take much more time than Mendix, we're going to put the video on a faster mode to show the changes that needs to be done in OutSystem and how long it takes for the developer to do the same thing. These are real samples with real developers trying to make the change, and we are measuring the real time of doing that. you see that OutSystem needs some coding. The number of steps that it takes in OutSystem to make the change and create the new type of project menu in the list is significantly more and more complicated than Mendix. You will see after the OutSystems how faster and how much simpler AppeneriX is compared to both of these. When we go over the AppeneriX, it's gonna be so fast that probably I wouldn't have enough time to talk over it about how it's gonna be done. When we show the AppeneriX video, that's gonna be on a normal speed, so please pay attention. Also, you will see that AppeneriX has the MDI feature, which means you can have multiple apps open at the same time. The video will show that it will take about 9.5 minutes for a developer to make the changes on an already existing project menu and the form and compile it and run it with OutSystems, which is significantly higher than AppeneriX and Mendix. Moving to AppeneriX, it will take only 14 seconds for a developer to make the change in the project form, save it, and start using the same. As you can see on top of the screen, there are multiple apps open on the screen which you can use. AppeneriX is the future of enterprise solution building.